What's up everyone, my name is Nad and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company and I'm also a student of the Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai. Today we will be learning a bit about religious endowments in Hindu law. So religious endowments are basically altered forms of trusts which are formulated for specific religious purposes like for giving bolster capacities, identifying with God, philanthropy and religion amongst Hindus. Now religious gifts are such that emerge particularly when any kind of property is devoted for any specific religious purpose, while philanthropic ones are usually devoted in the same backdrop but with a simultaneous charitable purpose in mind. Since time immemorial, it has been the way of the Hindu law to give. So Hindus have forever been devoting property for religious as well as charitable purposes. Now, all such acts for either of the objectives that are religious or philanthropic ones have always been considered as a path to heaven, that is, a path to God. As such, there are five very basic requirements of a religious or charitable endowment under Hindu law. These are number one, absolute dedication of property, number two, a definite objective for such dedication, number three, a definite amount of property, number four, the competency of a person dedicating such property, and number five, the last one, is the lawful nature of such dedication. From the wide and encompassing form of requirements of such endowments, it can be seen that with time and gathered experience, Hindu law has designed a very rigid and yet somehow very holistic system for the same endowments. The piety in the name of God and the devotion to seek and follow the path that leads one to God has established a compassionate framework reflecting the ultimate aim of human beings, that is to help our own kind to survive and to flourish. Now, the complete dedication with a solid objective in mind is in itself an attempt to bring out the determination that Hindus have towards the purpose of their religion and their gods. Hindus, like every other religion, have found their own way of determining or let's say formulating a path that intertwines between the divine itself and the teachings that have trickled down from the same. Hence, although it is not very particular in nature, through these endowments, Hindus have truly discovered a general method of expression of all their dedication towards their gods and have succeeded in forging a common sense of the Almighty, while also simultaneously fostering the much more pragmatic and technical aspect of the same, that is to help humankind in general. Now that is all for this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, do like, share and subscribe. Do comment down below any opinions or any suggestions or queries. It helps us out a lot to understand what you think about the video. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a good one.